Hi, Scott. I've had a couple of clients like this where I kind of go down tracking. It's things like we're getting to the root cause,
Mhm.
um, and then I'll tie it, I'll amplify it, feed it back to them a couple of times, kind of get them transy, and then tie it back to the problem and say what this has to do with the overcoming the problem, what have you, and they would either say I don't know, or they just kind of go back to something else.
Uh-huh.
And then, okay, and so trace that down, explore it more, and then it ends up right back in the same place.
Yeah.
Amplify it again. What does this have to do with the problem? Go back, and it just goes in a circle over and over.
Yep. This is where
I'm pretty new still.
Yeah, but this is where Mac solves that teething problem. That's the reason it's been designed, because some unconscious moments need to be dug into the problem, but some unconscious moments are so hidden that only reveal themselves once you motivate a client far away from the problem. So what we're going to learn with Mac could stand for motivational ACH. It really could, because that's what we're doing. So that's why I'm giving you both worlds. So if you find yourself going around in circles, I need a motivation question to get me out of this loop. So now we can start a conversation over here instead, and that'll tie itself back in. So by the time you end with Mac, you'll have a mixture of Mac questions and ACH, and your client won't know where it's going. That's where that creativity comes into it. That makes sense?
Would you be able to share how, I know you said earlier about not understanding ACH, but how does that work where switching to motivation gets them out of the loop?
Yes. Wait for day 3.
Okay.
I'd rather you experience it than me tell you.
All right.
All right. I'll do it Erickson on you. Fritz, go for it.